It's completely redesigned inside and out with a modern exterior, updated technology, and convenient new features. Introducing the all-new 2025 Subaru Forester. With the addition of genuine Subaru accessories, you'll be equipped for any adventure to help make every road you travel even more rewarding. Include genuine Subaru accessories in your monthly payment plan. It's a convenient option and ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Please join us as we explore a selection of genuine Subaru accessories now available for the Subaru Forester. Wherever you may roam, genuine Subaru protection and security accessories let you travel without worry and help keep your Forester looking its best. Let's take a look at a few of them now. All-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. Front seat covers help keep your front seats clean and tidy. Custom fitted with full coverage design, they also help protect the seat backs and seat back pocket from wear and tear. For times when a little extra room is needed to transport larger cargo, lower your back seats and keep them protected from damage with the rear seat back protector. And the cargo sidewall protector extends protection to the cargo area wheel well trim panels. This accessory is texture and pattern matched with the rear seat back protector and cargo tray to create a seamless appearance. Color matched and designed to complement the styling of your Forester, body side moldings help protect your doors from dents. Door edge guards help protect your door edges from dings and chips. And door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and scrapes off the inside of your doors. Roll your windows down to let fresh air in and keep inclement weather out. Compared to aftermarket parts, Subaru side window deflectors are engineered for a seamless fit and evaluated for water intrusion. Splash guards help protect the paint finish from stones and road grime. And mud flaps not only preserve your paint finish, but also help protect the undercarriage from rust and corrosion, help minimize water, dirt, and mud spray, and prevent minor road debris from kicking up behind your vehicle. Durable and corrosion resistant, the engine underguard is custom designed to fit your Forester and provides additional protection from minor road debris. Transform your travels into pure perfection and keep your belongings in place with genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories. Here are a few from this collection. Begin any journey in comfort with the remote engine starter. With the push of a button, you can start your Forester and adjust its interior temperature before even entering the vehicle. The sunshade helps reduce the interior temperature of your Forester up to 40 degrees, ideal for warm weather days. And the second row sunshade dulls sun glare and provides UVA and B protection to passengers in the back seat. The upgraded mirror accessory offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions and also features an 8-point digital compass. Protect the trunk area from dirt, stains, and other messes with the cargo tray. The surface of the tray also helps keep your gear from sliding around while driving. Keep your items organized and secure in the back of your Forester with the cargo net. The net can be used in two ways. Anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep things from rolling around. Genuine Subaru utility hooks are designed to hang personal items and other gear when the rear gate is opened, or on the left and right sides of the cargo area. Hooks in the cargo area can also be used to mount a utility bar or to anchor the cargo net when in the upright position. And the brand new cargo shelf expands cargo carrying capacity by providing two sections for organized, maximized storage of your gear. Place lighter weight items on the top shelf and heavier items below on the cargo area floor. This hands-free accessory securely holds your mobile phone and can be tilted in a variety of angles. It also includes a tray to conveniently hold small personal belongings. Exploring the great outdoors or taking a weekend break from the everyday routine? With genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule, you can pack more gear and excitement into any excursion. Add a crossbar set to increase your cargo carrying capabilities. There are two styles to choose from depending on what Forester you drive and on your style and function preferences. The crossbar set Aero is designed and validated to minimize wind noise. And the Thule crossbar set Aero Extended features a large surface area to mount multiple accessories. Pack all your personal belongings in the Thule Cargo Carrier, Cargo Carrier Extended, or heavy-duty roof cargo basket. Carry your kayak, your paddleboard, or bring along your skis or snowboards. Transform your vehicle into a home away from home. The rooftop tent by Thule not only provides more living space for you, it also gives you more space for your gear. Easy to deploy once you complete the initial setup, the tent comfortably sleeps up to 3 people. Features panoramic skylights and windows to keep you cool and the tent well ventilated. Provide shelter from the sun and rain and expand your outdoor living space with the Thule awning. This accessory can be used in conjunction with the Thule rooftop tent or other genuine Subaru rooftop accessories. You can carry your bikes from above with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Or haul your bikes behind you with the hitch-mounted bike carrier, available with either 2-bike or 4-bike capacity. Or with the hitch platform carrier, designed to transport bikes with carbon frames, mountain or downhill bikes, e-bikes, or fat bikes. Hitch platform and hitch-mounted bike carriers require the genuine Subaru trailer hitch. Stay fully charged for seamless connectivity during every commute with the wireless charger. Or our new USB charging cables are an option for you and your passengers to quickly charge mobile devices. Packaged in a Subaru branded storage case, the set of 4 USB charging cables are designed in signature Subaru blue and offer superior quality and durability compared to typical aftermarket cables. Designed to protect and pamper your pets, genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories help keep your furry family safe and secure on any road you travel together. Let's take a look at a few from this collection. For your canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed can be used as a car seat to keep your pets safe during any road trip. And the collapsible pet kennel safely secures your dog in the cargo area of the vehicle. They're both ideal for travel and everyday transport. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested, Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. The pet ramp is especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues and allows easy vehicle entrance and exit. When not in use, the ramp folds down to store in the cargo area. Help keep the interior of your Forester protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and infamous dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector. Seat cover rear, pet rear door protector, and console lid protector. Increase the backseat resting area for your dog to stretch out comfortably during long trips. The organizer and rear seat extender helps keep your pet calm and comfortable by filling the gap between the front and rear seat, and also provides an organized compartment to store pet gear or other personal items. With this new design, your Subaru Forester will grab attention on every road you travel. Express your unique personality with the addition of genuine Subaru style accessories. Illuminate the dark corners of the front floor area with a gentle white glow with the footwell illumination kit. The illumination color can be changed to either blue or red with optional replacement bulbs, sold separately. To enhance the illumination of the standard visor lights, the LED upgrade provides more flattering, bright white interior lighting. And the door projector lights add to the styling of your vehicle by projecting a silhouette of the Forester onto the ground when the front doors are open. Illuminated side sill plates feature a unique outdoor landscape and the Forester logo in bright white lighting to add an attractive accent to the door frame. Side sill plates are also available to add some protection to the front door sills and come in either silver painted or bronze finish to complement Forester sport trends. Express your love for adventure with the addition of the rugged accessory grille or side exterior graphics featuring a mountain range that's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Enhance the appearance of the Forester name on the rear gate with a 3D effect. Rear gate lettering is available in silver or black. Or add a splash of color to the geometric exterior trim accents on the front, lower door, and rear bumper of your Forester. Trim kits are designed specifically for the Subaru Forester for precise fit and finish and are available in either silver or blue. Thanks for taking the time to see a wide assortment of genuine Subaru accessories that are now available. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories for your Subaru Forester. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.